how to sound more native using wanna and gonna. First of all, let's take a look at pronunciation. It's wanna. It's not wanna. Wanna. And this one, it's not gonna. It's gonna. Let's start with the first one. Wanna. Wanna means wants to. For example, I want to go home. It means I want to go home. As you can see, it's fine when you're using it with I, you, we, and they. But the problem is when you're using it with he, she, or it. The problem with he, she, and it is when we are using he, she, or it, we need third person singular. For that reason, I'm not able to use wanna. I have to change wanna to wantsta. Wantsta. So you have to say, she wants to go home. He wants to go home. It wants to go home. The next word is gonna. Gonna means going to. The biggest mistake that I hear is the students often use gonna without the verb to be. For example, you might hear they say, I gonna go. She gonna go. He gonna go, which is completely wrong. You need to use am, is, are when you're using gonna. For example, you can say, he's gonna go. I'm gonna go. We're gonna go. And when you are using he or she, you have to make sure the pronunciation of is like he's, not he's. The pronunciation has to be z, not s. And that's it. If this video was useful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Have a great time. Goodbye.